Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the BeamNG.drive game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the BeamNG.drive game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, you will see various different settings as well as game modes. From here, just navigate to options, and now within the options page you can change various different general settings as well as detailed graphic settings. Within the general page, choose your highest resolution supported as well as your display mode. And in order to change your graphic qualities, go into the graphics from the left menu. From here you have various different presets that you can choose from. Now if you have above 8 GB of VRAM, then you can choose the Ultra preset as well. After choosing this preset, you can check how this will perform from the performance section by clicking on Run Physics Benchmark. Just wait for the results of your benchmark, and if you notice lower performance, then you can try navigating and changing to the high preset. After choosing the high preset, you can once again go back to performance and run your benchmark once again. If you're satisfied with the current performance, then there is nothing else that you will need to change. You can try lowering the anisotropic filtering to about 8x, as greater details will not be much visible. You can also check the instructions at the right side when you navigate to each of these options to see how much it will affect the performance of both your GPU and your CPU, as well as your VRAM. Once you have found the sweet spot of performance and quality for your device, you can go back to apply your settings automatically, and now you can start driving within your free roam mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the BeamNG.drive game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.